Disney World tickets are expensive. That's not breaking news. A single-day ticket to Magic Kingdom can top $199 per person. For a family of 4 over 5 days, you're looking at $2,000 or more just to get through the gates, before you've paid for a single meal or hotel room. But here's what most people don't know. You almost never have to pay Disney's full retail price. There are 8 completely legal, Disney-approved ways to pay less for the exact same ticket. Today we're breaking all of them down. Let's get into it. Number 8. Buy multi-day tickets. Let's start with the most straightforward discount Disney openly offers: multi-day tickets. Disney's per-day price drops significantly the more days you add to your ticket, and most families leave serious money on the table by not understanding how dramatic that difference actually is. A single day at Magic Kingdom can cost up to $199, but stretch that to a 5-day ticket and the per day cost drops to around $109 to $119 depending on the season. That's nearly $80 per person per day saved just by adding more days. For a family of 4 going from a 3-day to a 5-day ticket, the savings can exceed $600 on tickets alone. And you get 2 extra days of parks included. Even if you don't plan to use all the days, the math sometimes makes adding days the cheaper option. Always calculate the per day cost before you buy. The longer the ticket, the better the rate. Number 7. Book during value season. Disney uses a date-based pricing model, which means the same ticket to the same park costs a completely different amount depending on the day you visit. And the gap between the cheapest days and the most expensive is massive. A ticket to Magic Kingdom on a peak holiday day tops out at $199 per person. That same ticket on a slow January weekday starts at $139 per person every single day. For a family of 4 visiting for 5 days, choosing value season dates over peak season dates saves over $1,000 on admission alone, without changing a single ride, meal, or hotel room. The best low-price windows are mid-January through early February, the first 3 weeks of May before Memorial Day, and late August into September after schools return. Avoid holiday weeks, spring break, and summer entirely if the ticket price is your priority. The dates you pick are one of the most powerful pricing levers you have. Number 6. Authorized third-party ticket sellers. Here's one most families never hear about until after they've already bought their tickets at full price. Authorized third-party ticket resellers consistently sell Disney World tickets below Disney's own retail price, legally, safely, and with full Disney authorization. Undercover Tourist is the most well-known. They regularly list one-day and multi-day Disney tickets at $10 to $20 below what Disney charges directly. Getaway Today is another authorized seller that frequently bundles tickets with hotel nights at a combined discount. Both sites are completely legitimate. They're Disney-authorized resellers, not third-party scalpers. The tickets are real, the savings are real, and there is no catch. The one warning worth repeating every time: only buy from Disney-authorized resellers. Unauthorized sellers on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or similar platforms are a guaranteed scam. Disney tickets are biometric. They link to fingerprint data when first scanned. A ticket bought from a stranger is a ticket that won't work. Stick to authorized channels, and you're fine. Number 5. Costco Travel. Costco Travel is one of the most underused Disney ticket resources in the country, and for Costco members, it's one of the easiest ways to save significant money without doing much work at all. Costco regularly packages Disney World tickets with Disney gift cards, effectively giving you 10 to 20% more value than buying the ticket alone at Disney's price. For example, a package might include a 4-day ticket plus a $50 or $75 Disney gift card for a total price that still beats buying the ticket direct. That gift card goes toward food, merchandise, Lightning Lane, anything on Disney property. It's real money, not a coupon. Costco also packages Disney Resort hotel stays with tickets at bundled rates that frequently undercut booking each piece separately. If you're already a Costco member and you haven't checked Costco Travel before booking Disney, you're leaving money on the table. Check it before you buy anything else. Number 4. AA member discounts. If you or anyone in your family has a AAA membership, Even one you mainly use for roadside assistance, you have access to discounted Disney World tickets that most people completely overlook. AAA sells Disney Park tickets through their local offices and online portal at prices typically $10 to $15 below Disney's gate price per ticket. For a family of 4 buying 5-day tickets, that's $200 to $300 in savings without doing anything more complicated than logging into your AAA account or stopping by a local office. AAA also occasionally offers package deals combining tickets with hotel stays at additional discounts. The discount isn't enormous on its own, but stacked with a value season travel date and multi-day pricing, it adds up quickly. And if your household already pays for AAA coverage, this is purely free money sitting unused. Check your membership portal before you buy a single ticket anywhere else. Number 3. Florida resident discounts. If you live in Florida, Disney has a specific tier of tickets and annual passes designed for you, and they are significantly cheaper than what out-of-state guests pay. Florida resident seasonal tickets start well below the standard out-of-state gate price and come with blackout dates that exclude the peak holiday periods. Disney's Florida resident annual pass options are also substantially discounted compared to national pass tiers, making an annual pass a genuinely cost-effective option for Floridians who plan to visit more than 2 or 3 times a year. Disney verifies residency with a Florida ID or driver's license at the gate, so this is not a loophole. You have to actually live in the state to qualify. If you're visiting from out of state but you have a family member or friend who lives in Florida, they can purchase Florida resident tickets and attend with you. They must be present at the gate when you enter. This is completely within Disney's policy. The resident simply needs to be part of your visiting group for the day. Number 2. Military discounts. The deepest ticket discount Disney offers to any group goes to active duty military veterans and their families. And a lot of eligible service members either don't know it exists or don't realize how significant the savings actually are. Disney's Armed Forces Salute program offers multi-day ticket packages to active duty military and their dependents at discounts that can reach 40 to 50% off standard gate prices. A 4-day ticket that costs $400 to $500 per person for the general public can come in well under $300 per person under the military salute pricing. For a family of 4, that's a potential savings of $400 to $800 on tickets alone. The Shades of Green Resort on Disney property offers additional military-exclusive pricing on accommodations and is one of the most underutilized perks in the entire program. Military families should check the current Armed Forces Salute offer dates directly through Disney's official military ticket portal or through base ITT offices, as program dates and specific discounts are updated annually. If you or someone in your household has served or is currently serving, this is the first place to look before buying any Disney ticket. Number 1. Disney gift cards and the Target Red Card. And here we are at number 1, the strategy that works for every single family regardless of whether they're military, Florida residents, or Costco members. It requires 0 special eligibility and it compounds every other discount on this list. Disney gift cards. Here's how it works. Target sells Disney gift cards. If you pay for those gift cards with a Target Red Card, either the debit or credit version, you automatically receive 5% off the face value of the card. So a $100 Disney gift card costs you $95. That's instant money saved before you've done anything else. Sam's Club also sells Disney gift card bundles at a discount, sometimes as low as $94 for a $100 card. Websites like Raise and Card Cash list Disney gift cards from other users at 3 to 8% below face value. Here's why this lands at number 1. Disney gift cards pay for everything: park tickets, hotel stays, dining, lightning lane, merchandise. Any dollar you load onto a Disney gift card at a discount is a dollar you're spending inside the parks at that same discount. For a family spending $10,000 on a Disney trip total, loading the entire budget onto Target Red Card purchased gift cards at 5% off saves $500 across the full vacation. Stack that on top of multi-day pricing, a value season travel date, and an authorized reseller ticket, and you've built a discount system that touches every single cost category on the trip. No eligibility requirements. No membership needed beyond a free Target Red Card application. Just buy the cards before you go, load them into your My Disney Experience app, and spend them like cash on everything Disney. Here's the bottom line. Disney will never send you a coupon in the mail. They won't remind you that Costco has a better deal or that your AAA membership includes a discount. The full retail price is always the default. But now you know the 8 ways around it. Stack as many as apply to your situation, start with the gift card strategy since it works for everyone, and watch your ticket budget shrink before you've booked a single hotel night. If this helped, drop a comment with which method you're using. And check out our video on cutting your full Disney budget in half. Tickets are just one piece of the puzzle.